Hi, welcome. I am Syed Abdul Khadir, English panel member. Let us see today's class 10 assignment, that is rewriting the sentence into reported speech. A direct sentence is given, you have to change it to reported speech, which is also known as indirect speech. There are 10 sentences. Let us see the first one. Lena said, I will invite you to my birthday party. Here, reporting verb. This is reported verb. It is in past tense. Matching to that, we should convert other words. Lena said, that is a conjunction which will join both the parts. That I belongs to Lena. When we say in our words, these are our words. Lena said are our words. So everything we are going to change it to our words. Lena said that she will become would based on the tense of the reporting verb. It is in past tense, so this also will be changed to past form. She would invite, you is us, right? So me to my Lena, her. My belongs to Lena. So in our words, her birthday party. Lena said that she would invite me to her birthday party. Second one. Anderson said, I will turn 20 today. Anderson said that he would turn 20 that day. Today will become that day in reported speech. Well, the third question. David said, things will get better. Now in reported speech, David said that things would get better. Simple like first two examples. The fourth one, the doctor said your aunt doesn't need an operation. In reported speech, the doctor said that my aunt doesn't need an operation. Here, this it's not changing, matching to the reporting verb's tense. Why? That also my aunt does not require operation. Today also it is true. She doesn't require any operation today also. So, it is left as it is without any change of tense. Got it? Fifth question. Wilma told me I will help you finish your homework. So, told, past tense. Wilma told me that she could help me. This is will. Why we did not write would? She speaks about the possibility, her capability, right? So we change that will into could. She is capable of helping me. Wilma told me that she could help me. Anyhow, both means future. Help me finish my homework. Your is right. When she told your, it is now mine. Wilma told me that she could help me finish my homework. Robert said, I will pass the exam. This is reporting verb is past tense. Reported verb is future. Robert said that he, this is the past form of will, would pass the exam. Got it? Understand the difference between the two. The seventh one, John told me I have seen this movie. Right? John told me that I belongs to John. So he, reporting verb is in past tense. So have seen present perfect changes into past perfect. This becomes that movie. Movie as it is. John told me that he had seen that movie. 8th one. Helen said, I can speak Spanish fluently. Helen said that she could speak Spanish fluently. I became she, can became could. Done. Ninth one. Lucas told Lee, I will not go swimming with you. Lucas is male, Lee is female. Reporting verb is in past tense. Will not go, future. Lucas told Lee that I belongs to Lucas. So he will change the word because reporting verb is in past tense. Would not go swimming with her. You belongs to Lee. It's a female. So with her. Lucas told Lee that he would not go swimming with her. 10th one. Josh said, I have finished my lunch. Josh male. Josh said that he had finished his lunch. I must change to he. Have to had because said is past tense. Finished. My will become his because Josh is male. So Josh said, I have finished my lunch turns into Josh said that he had finished his lunch. Hope you understood this, right? And you would have observed all our 10 questions. The reporting verb remains the same. Said, told, they remain the same. That depends on the meaning conveyed by the speaker or the meaning conveyed in the reported area. Okay? All our assertive sentences or declarative sentences are statements, simply speaking, right? Because of that, we have not changed that said, told to any other words. If it is a request, right, you would have changed to requested. If it is question, asked, right? If it is exclamation, you would have changed that said or told to exclaim. Understand those things. And of course, you would have understood some, right? Present tense verbs are kept as they are, depending on the meaning conveyed. The one related to that surgery, even now since that statement is true, the present tense was not changed, even though the reporting verb was past tense. So we need to understand the sense conveyed, meaning conveyed. Based on that only, everything should be done, right? Relating of reporting speech should be done like this. Go back slowly, right? Check again. Follow my instructions, right? How I changed all those things. Understand this exercise assignment thoroughly, right? Put it on paper, write it in notebook. Hope you would have understood this in a better way. God bless you. Thank you.